Good morning students and welcome back to your science lecture. Today we will learn our class 7 science chapter number 10, that is respiration in organism. So students, we have learned in our previous lecture that is what is meant by respiration and why it is essential process for each and every organism. So without respiration we can't survive, that we have seen, because oxygen is very necessary to get energy and without energy we can't survive. Yes. So now we will see how many types of respirations are there. So respirations are of two types. One is aerobic respiration and another is anaerobic respiration. What is meant by aerobic? Aerobic means air. It is included air. Aerobic means including air or including oxygen, because we need oxygen. That's why we will focus on oxygen from that air. Yes, air contains oxygen maximum in quantity and we need that also. That's why aerobic respiration means we have to take oxygen from that air particularly. Okay. So aerobic respiration means in presence of oxygen this process happen. And second is anaerobic. Anaerobic means without air or without oxygen. This respiration process happens in particular organism without oxygen. In presence of oxygen it is aerobic and in absence of oxygen anaerobic. Yes. So these are the two types of respiration. Here in presence of oxygen, glucose combined with oxygen means glucose oxidize in this process and carbon dioxide, water vapors and energy is created in this process. What is important here? With oxygen means in presence of oxygen this chemical process happen. Respiration is totally chemical process. Many enzymes are involved in that process. Means enzymes which are secreted particularly for this useful for this chemical reaction, which are useful for this chemical reaction, that also involved in this chemical process. And here in presence of oxygen, oxidation of glucose takes place and carbon dioxide, water vapors and energy is created here in case of aerobic respiration. Yes, here is that. And another part is anaerobic respiration. Here the chemical process of respiration happen with in absence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen, glucose without oxygen, what it produce here? Alcohol or lactic acid is produced here. Again carbon dioxide and energy is produced. Here water vapors are not produced. Here, instead of water vapors, here alcohol or sometimes in some cases lactic acid is produced. Yes, not in all cases alcohol and lactic acid. In case of some organisms like yeast, yes, like yeast, alcohol is produced during this anaerobic respiration, which happen without oxygen. Alcohol is present, yes, in case of yeast. But when we do a lot of exercise or physical work, any hard work, when we do, what happens? In our body there is a need of a lot of energy. Yes, when we walking, when we jogging, or we are doing any exercise, we are doing any hard work, physical hard work. Yes, physical hard work when we are doing, what happens? Our body need more energy, definitely. If you are sitting, you will not need more energy as compared to the एज कंपेयर टू फिजिकल हार्डवर्क. ओके, जब हम कोई बहुत ज्यादा हार्डवर्क करते, फिजिकल हार्डवर्क, जैसे कि कोई हैवी वर्क, जॉगिंग, एक्सरसाइज, डूइंग एक्सरसाइज लाइक दैट, उसमें हमको ऑक्सीजन की ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ती है ना. इट इज वेरी कॉमन. आप जब बैठे होंगे, पढ़ाई करते होंगे, तो वहां पर आपको बहुत ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत नहीं होती है एज कंपेयर टू जब आप जॉगिंग करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और कोई भी फिजिकल हार्डवर्क करते हैं, उसके कंपैरिजन में आपको बैठे हुए या तो फिर कोई साइलेंटली जब आप कोई काम करते हैं तो वहां पर ज्यादा एनर्जी नहीं लगती है आपको. यस, सो when we need more energy then definitely we need more quantity of oxygen. yes, हमको यदि एनर्जी ज्यादा चाहिए तो इसका मतलब हमको ऑक्सीजन भी ज्यादा चाहिए. और जो हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं थ्रू द ब्रीदिंग, which oxygen we are taking, it is not enough for this physical work. yes, मीन्स उतनी एनर्जी हमको इनफ नहीं है, मतलब इतनी एनर्जी हमको इनफ नहीं होती है जो हम रेगुलर ब्रीदिंग से ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं और उससे हमें मिलती है. तो क्या होता है हमारे बॉडी में जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो आवर मसल्स आर एबल टू रिस्पायर ऑल्सो. यस, आवर मसल्स आर एवरीवेयर इन आवर बॉडी, so that muscles also respire, but that respiration is anaerobic respiration. yes, that respiration is anaerobic respiration. why? Because it happen in absence of oxygen, because we are having limited oxygen, है ना. हम ज्यादा वर्क करते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, फिजिकल हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, तो ऑक्सीजन तो हमको अभी डिफिशियंसी होती है वहां पर ऑक्सीजन की. तो जो एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी चाहिए, तो उसके लिए जो ऑक्सीजन चाहिए एक्स्ट्रा, वो कहां से आता है? वो मसल रिस्पिरेशन करता है. कौन सा? जो कि इन अब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन भी होता है. वो कौन सा रिस्पिरेशन है? अनारोबिक रिस्पिरेशन, जहां पर ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो मसल्स डू दैट अनारोबिक रिस्पिरेशन, एंड इन दैट केस when the anaerobic respiration happen in the muscle, there is a chemical reaction. Which chemical reaction? Glucose do the anaerobic respiration, without oxygen it happen, and lactic acid is present in our muscle. Which product is here prepared here? Lactic acid is produced, not alcohol. Lactic acid is produced, and again carbon dioxide and energy is produced. Again and carbon dioxide and energy produced. Thus we get energy without oxygen also, which we need during the physical hard work. yes, समझ में आया ना. जो फिजिकल हार्ड वर्क में ज्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए, वो हमको ऑक्सीजन नहीं भी है तो भी हमारे मसल उसको मेंटेन करती है through the anaerobic respiration, and we get energy. Carbon dioxide is released in that process, and again very important, lactic acid is produced there. But this lactic acid is quite painful to us. Due to this lactic acid, we get cramp in our muscle. Sometimes we get cramp after doing very much hard work. हमारी जो कमर है वो बहुत ऐसे अकड़ जाती है, हाथ पैर है अकड़ जाते हैं ना ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करने से. तो why it happen? Because when our muscles do anaerobic respiration, what happen? Lactic acid produce in that case, and due to this production of lactic acid, cramps are occurred in our muscles. So how we can remove this cramp? How we can remove this cramp? By applying hot water bath. By applying hot water bath, we can remove this lactic acid. yes, why? Because due to this hot water, our circulation of blood in our body will increase. Circulation of blood in our body will increase, and then the supply of oxygen will also increase. Okay, so due to this increase of supply of oxygen, that lactic acid again break down, and what happened there? Well, lactic acid again break down, and water vapor, oxygen and energy is produced there. Okay, this lactic acid will break down in presence of oxygen. When we apply hot water, we get more oxygen through the increasing rate of blood circulation. Again, we can massage. Yes, through massage we can also improve the rate of blood circulation. Yes, we can increase rate of blood circulation through the massage. Yes, that's why massage is very important for improving circulation of blood in our body. And due to this increasing rate of blood circulation, we get more oxygen, and then that lactic acid will break down by the oxidation, and then again we will get free from that cramps. Yes, that is the very important process. Yes, and again the next is alcohol. Next is alcohol. So alcohol is produced in case of yeast. Yeast are some bacteria. We know that yeast are some bacteria that are very useful for fermentation. Yes, that are very useful for fermentation. And in that case, what happens? There alcohol is present. When the yeast are present, we know idli batter, dosa batter, and which we fermented, that batter get fermented, but when we close the surface of that container, then only the fermentation happen. So in that case, what happen? Some process is going on there, fermentation, and that particular bacteria like yeast, yes, like yeast or another bacteria are also there. Yeast are particularly used in case of bread, bread. In that process of fermentation we need yeast, but there are another types of bacteria also that also do anaerobic respiration. Yes, and during that fermentation, through that anaerobic respiration, alcohol is produced. There is not presence of lactic acid. There is not a production of lactic acid, but there is a production of alcohol, and due to that alcohol produced there, our food get fermented very fastly. Okay, so this process we use in our daily life also. So this is very important. Anaerobic respiration also, in process of fermentation, alcohol is present and carbon dioxide and energy also get produced. And in case of muscle anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is produced and carbon dioxide and energy is also produced. And when the blood circulation, rate of blood circulation will increase, the oxygen level in our body also increase, and then that lactic acid will break down and carbon dioxide and energy will again produce. Yes, so this was the very important point. So we have seen here aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and then we will see again the rate of breathing. Yes, rate of breathing means, what is mean by rate of breathing? One time inhaling, one time expelling the oxygen or carbon dioxide. Yes, when we breathe, what happen? What is mean by breathe? Breathe means intake of oxygen and again expel of carbon dioxide. मतलब ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर एक्सपेल करना, ये पूरे एक प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? रेट ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. यस, वन काउंट ऑफ ब्रीथ मीन्स एक बार ऑक्सीजन लिया और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकाला तो उसको वन काउंट बोलते हैं. समझ में आया? मतलब वी ब्रीथ, now one count happen, now second count is happen. So in this manner, rate of breathing means how many times we breathe during a minute, मतलब 1 मिनट में हम कितनी बार ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, मतलब कितनी बार हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सपेल करते हैं, तो इसको बोलते हैं रेट ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. यस, one time intake of oxygen and one time expel of carbon dioxide, that is called one count. And how many counts will be there in 1 minute? 1 मिनट में ऐसे कितने काउंट होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं हमारा ब्रीदिंग का रेट ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग इज हैविंग 15 to 18 counts of breathing. 15 to 18 counts of breathing. Yes, so sometimes in some cases human being is having the rate of breathing 15, and after 15, 16, 17 or 18 it may be also. Okay, in normal human being, if it that human being is having any disease, then the rate will be again decrease, or sometime it will increase also when we do hard work. हार्ड वर्क करने के बाद हमारा रेट तो नेचुरली इंक्रीज होगा, क्योंकि हमको ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है, हम फास्टली ब्रीदिंग करते हैं ना. डू दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट, डू दैट एक्टिविटी, इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. डू सम हार्ड वर्क, डू समटाइम्स जॉगिंग एंड देन काउंट योर रेट ऑफ ब्रीदिंग, एंड बिफोर दैट एक्सरसाइज काउंट योर रेट of breathing, and after exercise again count your rate of breathing. What you will observe? Before exercise the rate of breathing will be among 15 to 18, but after exercise you need more oxygen, that's why your rate of breathing will increase up to 25 also. Okay, up to 25 also. Okay, so the rate of breathing will increase here. So here in your textbook one table is also given. So in that table 10.1 on page 110, the table is given. You have to fill up that table by doing the activity. By doing the activity here. Yes, name of the classmate. You have to do that activity with your classmates also, with your friends also. Then normal breathing means after before doing any work, normal breathing rate. Then after brisk walk for 10 minutes. Brisk walk for 10 minutes means जोर से चलना है आपको, जोर से वॉकिंग करनी है, उसके बाद आपका रेट देखो. Then after running a fast 100 मीटर, 100 मीटर तक आपको रनिंग करनी है, फिर आपका रेट काउंट करना है, वो आपको लिखना है. Then at rest again you have to count your rate of breathing. For many students you have to do that. Many person you have to apply this. At your home also you can do that with different persons. Okay, which are your family members and which are your friends around you. You can do that activity with them. Okay, so here also it's one thing is very important. We can't survive without breathing. In 10.1 activity it is given that when we close your mouth and nose, how many times you can live like that? Yes, we can live like that. How many times it is possible to live? By closing your nose and closing your mouth. No, it is not possible to live for a long time. Yes, after some time you will open your mouth and open your nostrils, and you will take a very long breath, because in your body there will be the deficiency of oxygen, and then you will breathe very long after closing your nostrils and mouth. Yes, so that means we can't survive without breathing. So breathing is very important and respiration is very important. So one very important thing, student, as many times it happen, children confuse between respiration and breathing. So respiration and breathing, that two processes are different, because breathing is a part of respiration. Breathing is a part of respiration. Breathing means only exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In breathing, what happens? We only take oxygen inside our body and we expel carbon dioxide out of our body. That particular process is called only breathing. But in respiration, what happens? When we take oxygen through the breathing process, we use our cell use that oxygen, and our food which is stored in the form of glucose, it breaks down with the help of enzyme and in presence of oxygen, and then carbon dioxide, water and energy is created. That respiration process happen inside the cell. Yes, inside the cell also and out of the cell also. Means breathing is a process including respiration. Yes, respiration में वो breathing process include है. मतलब ऑक्सीजन लेना ये respiration की step है. Yesterday we have, in our last period we have seen the 4 steps. In respiration, first step is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, means taking oxygen inside our body. Then the food get oxidized, means oxidation of food. Here oxidation of food. Then energy is created there, means creation of energy, and then carbon dioxide elimination. Yes, that 4 steps are involved in the respiration. But in breathing, only 2 processes are there. One is intake of oxygen, another is expel of carbon dioxide. So that much difference is there between the respiration and breathing. So that difference you have to note down. I will give you as a notes also. Yes, I will give you as a notes also difference between respiration and breathing. Yes, breathing and respiration. It is only 2-step process. It is only 2-step process, and it is 4-step process. 4-step process. It is physical reaction because only exchange of gases takes place here. Yes, during the breathing. It is the physical process, but it is the chemical process. It is the chemical process because here oxidation of glucose takes place and carbon dioxide, water and energy is created. So that it is chemical process, and in that enzymes are not used. No need of any enzyme to breathe. Enzymes are not included. And here enzymes are included. Enzymes are included. Yes. Again, very important. This breathing process is happen only in the lungs, and means it involve only certain organs, means nostril and lungs. That organs only it involve. But here cells are also involved. That is very important. Only certain organs like lungs are involved. And here cells are involved. Here cells are involved. That respiration happen out of cell also and inside cell also. Here cells are not involved, and in the process of respiration cells are involved. So that note down all that points. I will give you as a notes in detail also. So these points you have to note down only and read this topic very well from your NCERT textbook, and do that activity which is given, 10.1 activity also and 10.2 activity as well. Okay. So I hope you understood that. Thank you.